from HWE Stationery, and today we're going to talk to you about some Platignum ballpoint pens.
Yes, not to be confused with the Japanese brand, which is Platinum. This is actually a different company. It's actually an English company. It's Platignum. So not to be confusing those two brands.
Platinum with the G.
Right, Platinum with a G, I guess we could call it. And yeah, this is a really interesting brand with a rich history. It's actually about 100 years old, this particular brand, and it actually recently got a new lease on life. It disappeared a few years ago, and then the brand was purchased by another company, an interested company, and revived it. So, and now we carry it here at HWE.
And now we're going to talk about them.
Yes, or at least two of the models. So we sell several. So
yeah.
Anyway, so without further ado, shall we go through them?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good.
So first, let's look at the Carnaby Street pens. I like these for a ballpoint quite a bit, more than I was actually really expecting to. One, because they're really affordable. They're $8.50, and that includes the pen and 2 ink cartridges. It comes with a blue and a black. So if you like blue, you have a blue one. If you like the black ink, you have a black. So I really was hesitant about the pen just because it's so affordable. But they're nice. They have a metal body, so you might not want to have it in the pocket with your keys and everything. You're going to scratch it. But at $8.50, kind of not the worst thing in the world. But they've got a little bit of weight to it. It doesn't feel like your just regular cheap plastic ballpoint. It feels nice. It's just got a good shape, so it's comfortable to hold. The bottom has a rubber grip, so your hand's not sliding off the pen. So it's got a lot going for it. It's got these really pretty, vibrant colors, 2 cartridges. It's a nice holding pen. It's got a satisfying click. I'm a constant clicker when it comes to my ballpoints. I just like these. I have no complaints on these pens whatsoever. I feel like I can write a long time in them. They write smoothly. And they look really attractive. And for $8.50, if your coworker steals it, you could probably, forgive them eventually. It gives you an excuse to get some more of the colors. So Carnaby Street, I just say all around solid pen. It's got a lot going for it, and I like it. The other Platinum we're going to talk about today is the number 9 Platignum Pens. And these are very similar in style from the Carnaby Street, but their looks are very different. Like the coloring on them is really different. But body-wise, it's the same shape, it's the same weight. So again, they're just a really good, comfortable pen to hold. These are a little bit more. The other pens are aluminum, and this is a slightly different metal. So these ones are $12, but they come in a really nice little gift box. So for $12, I feel like these are really sweet to put in a care package, make it part of a gift basket. They look more than $12, I think. And again, it comes with the 2 ink cartridges. You get a blue, you get a black, you get choices. We love that. There's 4 9 Street, so they have this really nice black and white, which I know white pens do really well for us. People love white pen. It's going to go with everything. You got this stealthy all black. I love this. I don't know why, but I just love the all black to it. It's just a stealth pen. I love it. You have this one, which is gunmetal and gold. This one's a little different in that it has the gold metal clasp on it. It's just a stylish looking pen. And then my other favorite is the stainless steel. I love it. It looks to me like it's more than a $12 pen. So I think it would make a really attractive addition to some sort of gift basket or something. But otherwise, they're very similar in that they're comfortable to hold. They got a great slim shape to them. It's a nice writer, it's smooth, it's reliable. Yeah. Again, I was really concerned at the price point that they were going to just look and feel cheap, and they don't. They're a really nice pen.
So those were two of the styles of Platignum pens that we sell, both the Carnaby Street, which I really do love the colors from these. They really kind of pop out at you, don't they?
They do, and they're not obnoxious.
Yeah, exactly. The blue, orange, yellow, I think they call it lilac, pink,
and then my favorite green.
and then of course green. Yes,
I love the green.
love those.
Yeah, I like them.
And as you said, they are actually pretty decent quality. You know,
Yeah.
I mean, given the price point, I mean, it's an affordable option if you're in school or for the office, or whatever. And then the next step up in our platinum ballpoints, we've got the number 9s, which are definitely a classier looking pen.
Yeah, they definitely feel more of the masculine option to me.
Sure. Yeah.
I guess just maybe because they're more, like the stainless feels like kind of
Right.
guyish.
Sterile, but hey, I like it. This is more my style of pen. I like that a lot.
Oh, see, there we go. There, his and the hers.
There you go. I like that.
The metal and the
So-
bright green.
But yeah, it's a really nice, affordable option for folks that like ballpoint pens. Again, they come with 2 ink cartridges. One's already preloaded. You get a blue and a black. And then the refills are actually they both use the same refill
Yes.
as well, which is also kind of nice if you wanted to explore both. And the refills are actually quite affordable as well. So
It's what, $3.50 for 3?
you get 3, yeah. Yeah.
So
it's a nice option, and the refills do last a while. I actually used one of these for quite a while. So
yeah, so this is a good everyday pen, affordable.
yeah,
It's affordable enough that you don't have to worry about it getting lost or beaten up.
exactly.
I feel like when you get to those like really precious pens, they like,
Yeah, I have a few of mine that I get a little paranoid over.
yeah, you don't want to lend
You
it
know
to
about.
someone.
Right. So, but anyway, and again, this is a really cool brand to read about. They were really innovative, back in their heyday. In the mid 20th century, when they were really the main pen that people would use in the UK.
Yeah, this was like every school kid got this pen.
Exactly.
Was the thing. They still do some nice stuff now. They have a cool ballpoint gel hybrid pen.
Yep.
That has just a nice ink to it.
Exactly. So, anyway, thank you for joining us for our yet another product review from HWE Stationery, and we'll be back for another one real soon. Thanks.
Thanks.